Hotpoint introduces the Style WMYL6351 6 kg capacity washing machine, available in white, graphite and black, combining style and useful technology with easy-to-use programs that deliver superior washing performance with outstanding cleaning performance and a large enough capacity for a busy household. Boasting an A+ energy rating and 1350 variable spin speed, this washing machine is a great addition to households wanting convenience and less effort. Hotpoint's unique anti-stain cycle manages water, agitation and temperature of the wash to remove even the 20 most difficult stains, delivering the perfect wash every time. The dedicated white cycle ensures your clothes are kept brighter for longer. Your woolens will be perfectly cared for too, with the new wool cycle being endorsed with the prestigious Platinum Care by Woolmark. Powerful anti-allergy action ensures traces of detergent are reduced from clothes for delicate skin. This program uses a combination of high temperatures and extra rinsing to significantly reduce major allergens and has even achieved the British Allergy Foundation seal of approval. Other useful wash features include the time saver option, which lets you cut the length of your chosen wash cycle by up to 50%. A dedicated baby cycle designed to tackle the toughest of stains related to babies and young toddlers, and a shirt cycle. Conveniently also comes with a handy LED display providing information on the selected program and the progress through the cycle. Hotpoint, our ideas, your home.